Listen to the story carefully. Story 29. Steppenwolf. I always felt divided, part human, part wild. Like a wolf trapped in my own mind. Society expected one thing, my heart another, and I wandered alone, restless and unsure. I sought meaning in books, music and fleeting pleasures, trying to understand who I truly was. People seemed shallow, rules felt suffocating, yet moments of beauty, friendship, laughter, music, reminded me that life could be rich. I realized that accepting both sides of myself, the human and the wolf, was the only way to find peace. Life isn't simple and happiness isn't permanent, but understanding yourself, embracing contradictions and daring to live fully makes it worth walking even the loneliest paths. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.